type, by the way.
What does goat mean by the same person as you? Like, what?
What about what?
Must
Wait, what?
something out. Goat said it's the same guy as you, but you didn't put it fuck.
Oh, he fucked me over too. He was weird.
Does he want to hide him?
It's far away.
Huh?
I'm back stream. Hi guys.
Yeah, I'll remake the local dairy for the money. Don't test me.
Okay, no. Probably know the local fucking dairy owners. Don't do that.
I'm gonna have to remake multiple dairies, so it's like 2K for a ticket to the US.
Can't really do the ones in Waddle because everyone knows everyone.
And keep it on the down low.
I don't know what happened, guys, but everything just switched off.
We were talking about RAM rating, that's why everything switched off. Her power got cut by her landlord.
I'm a landlord. If you hate us, just say the KU, zip it.
Oh, I hate you.
Oh,
Titty.
Titty titty.
Titty.
I got told that in someone else's chat today. Fucking
Titty.
No, wait, don't zip it. I was joking. Wow, he hates me.
I'm gonna see if he has a mic. The bitches.
Watch him go say something mean to him and then come back
Yeah,
and go,
piss
he's not
off
talking
then.
to us. He doesn't want to talk. You know, 2 strings in one night. It's fucking normal here, okay? When I had my old shitty internet, I used to do like 4 strings in one night. Because it would always crash on me, or I'd be sitting on 300 ping for no good reason. I don't want to take my big pots. I just want to die.
Fuck you and your big pot, that's why.
I don't want to use it. It's just there for decoration, just because you said something.
Yeah, it's the new mobile skin.
I'm joking. I would take it. Good job. You got this. I believe in you.
Oh, box. Ah, you putty bitch. Yo, come yo.
Come yo. Ooh.
What? Come here, piggy.
Come here, piggy.
That's what it is.
You good, piggy.
No, you putty boy.
Piggy.
Oh my days, your man doesn't love you.
You're streaming my Discord. Thank you, Nico. No shields. You did not. Is it just because I... Fine. Fine. I don't want shield anyway.
Galaxy.
Yeah?
Yeah, please have your mats. Nice room. Get past the chest. Yeah, that's a fake pickaxe there. I seen that on, GoFundMe. Whatever the fuck it is, GoFundMe.
You're a fake pickaxe.
She's gone from game chat.
Oh, did you go into game chat? Oh, what did you just go do?
What happened?
I'm redeeming it again? What are you
She's
redeeming?
gone.
Yeah, she reckons she's a dog, yeah. Fuck a what?
I barked at her.
She reckons she's a
She
dog.
Yeah, she reckons she's a mighty mad dog, yo.
Ooh.
Fuck, yeah, your face is a yo.
Ooh, wow, yo.
Yeah, sure,
Anyone?
What up, bitch?
Owie! They got back.
Yeah, Lise, yo. Not on him.
I actually don't want to deal with you.
Hey, Galaxy. Which has good times as well. Galaxy.
Yeah?
These kids are poor harder.
Ah, got my mess.
Gee, I'm dead, eh?
I'm done. I'm good.
You give me enough mats.
I'm gonna redeem. I want
fuck.
you to know when the 5 minutes is done, I'm
What did I
redeeming.
walk into?
What did I do to deserve this buttercup?
Buttercup.
Oh.
Gee, leave me out.
Oh.
Fucking touch that.
Why is it pressing? Whee!
Call.
Who's Buttercup? The fuck you mean who's Buttercup? Fine. Fine. No Buttercup then. I don't know.
You are, mate.
Who was Buttercup?
Mine?
Oh, I think that's the person.
Oh, no, really? I thought it was a fucking line.
Well, it is. But I can't
It's
fucking
a line,
hit.
isn't a person, little bro.
There's another person.
Okay.
I'm about to die again.
Jane,
Why is there 3 of them?
why not?
Oh, for fuck's sakes! You hooligans.
Hooligan hits, cuz.
I can't even shield up.
30, 30, 60, 90, 70, 9, dead. No, my loot, bitch! I just want meds. Shots, okay.
I'm gonna die. 4 HP. 5 HP. Mad dog.
Go smack my bitch out. I'll be your bitch if you kill this one out. Oh, I'm your bitch. Holy shit.
Good shit, Pookie.
Don't lock me in here. Don't lock me in here.
Ah, you fuck.
Oh, I like that gun.
Owie.
You being shot at, bro?
The box.
What? We back, Pete. 94 cracks. 32 whites. Dead.
I don't
What's
know,
that, yo?
medkit.
You fucking smell like a caca, yo.
So I'm saying, yo, I prefer Special's nickname to me on Porn Star.
Okay, porn star.
Alright, Porn Star. Porn Star.
Oh, fuck!
Oh shit, yo.
45, 75 knock.
Oh man, yo.
Why are you sitting there like that?
What? Just kidding. Just one pump, yeah, kill. Yeah, man,
Oh,
yo.
that's nice.
Stay alive, cunt. Stay alive, stay alive, stay alive. No, get back.
Trying.
Oh my days.
Why didn't I build? That was on a contract.
About to sign a con.
Okay, Chosen. Hello. Oh, it's Galaxy.
Wait, so what were you saying before?
And Galaxy got rigged. Galaxy did get rigged.
Galaxy, what were you saying before about that fella?
No, nothing. I'll just
Nothing.
message you it.
I don't think in the stream.
I don't think so.
I'll have a look.
I'm just be nice. No shields. Oh,
No shields.
again.
Yeah, fuck you out, unks.
I went that whole
No.
game, no shields anyway. How
No,
about we just
don't
do
say
no
it.
guns? I'll just crawl. I just crouch around.
I'll better piss you off. How is that?
Oh, fuck off. What are you doing? You're a dickhead. You're actually a dickhead. You're actually such a dick.
Crawl on your knees.
Okay.
Come crawl on your knees, Pookie.
Alright.
Get them on all fours.
You shut the fuck up.
Satisfy the dog.
Okay. Where were you at? That song always reminds me of her.
Wait, she actually just messaged me. She is. Where is she? Handy Muck. Waiting for the bro.
Handy Muck.
Driving home.
Do you know what I feel like? Shortbread cookies.
Well, I just had some of those.
Fuck you for not sharing, you fat pig.
At the Mirai.
Mariah, you can get in there with unks, eh? Mattress and stuff.
Yeah, man.
Kia ora moko. Fuck up. Fuck up there, koro. No moving, Galaxy, you can't move. Can't move.
Buttercup,
No
I
moving.
shut the fuck up. You. Buttercup, I messaged you the tea.
No
It's
moving.
It's Punstar?
Pornstar, I
Porn star.
messaged you the tea.
Porn star Ash, you need to do the thing.
She messaged you the tea.
That gummy
no
cuddle
moving
bear is
out, hugging it.
adorable.
Oh,
No,
no.
it's not. Nah,
I'm not in the
stop,
game
stop,
yet.
stop, stop, stop,
No,
stop, stop.
no, bitch.
You can't tell me what to do, mother.
Pookie, stop moving.
Aww.
On me, motherfucker.
Yeah, that's right. Sit, bitch.
Nah, get down.
On your knees.
Okay. I can't even move.
Yep, move now. Move.
No, you can't move. You can't move. You can't move. You can't
5
move.
minutes starting now.
Can't move.
I'm not going there. I'm gonna land somewhere safe.
Come by me. I'll protect you.
No, she can't move, bitch.
We're just gonna stay in the sky and see if I get shot out.
Stay in the sky.
Yeah, I'm just
Nah, just stand
floating.
on fours there. Satisfy the mob. Yeah, teammate, and that's when I yelled. That's the lead I yelled. My teammate's trying to steal my kill. Rita!
I'm getting shot at already.
Get me out, yo.
Die.
You right, you bitch.
You smelly bitch.
Oh, for fuck's sake.